Hey,
We're live.
we're preparing the live stream.
Yay!
Setting it up on Facebook Live.
Yes. All right. So we're going live. I think we are live.
I think we are live.
Hello, everybody. How are you this evening? It's Wendy and Dana here to do a sneak peek live of our beautiful tomorrow Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape. We're going to have a great time this evening, so y'all get settled in and get ready to have a sneak peek.
Yes, yes, yes. Hopefully this is starting to pop up in people's news feeds. I'm going to go ahead and share mine out.
Yeah, I'm refreshing the page to see if I see it.
Yes.
And yes, I do. Woo-hoo!
Perfect. All right. So I got too many Facebook windows open. Ha, ha, ha. Good, bad, and ugly, right?
No.
Okay. So I think we are live.
I think so. It looks like, yes, I'm seeing that we're live.
Yes. What I can't see is if, oh, we're preparing the live. So it does record when you're preparing to go live. Who knew? Right?
Oh, that is a-okay.
It's all good, right?
Oh, absolutely. I'm just
okay. I have so many windows open. All right. Okay, so I think we're here. I think we're out there. We're live. Hopefully some people are seeing us pop in their news feeds to come find out about our beautiful tomorrow Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape.
Yes.
Good.
Yes. All right. Yes. All right. I'm sharing and I think we're good.
Okay.
Very good. All right.
All right.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We're so excited to have you here. Oh, man. Every single time we do one of these escapes, Wendy, we say, this is the most beautiful one we've ever done.
Yes. Yes.
And every single time we're telling the truth, too. We're not lying. It's just
it gets better and better
every time.
Yes.
So we have some fabulous projects to show you guys, and we're going to give some sneak peeks of the projects and the bonus projects. So be looking out for them. We're just not going to say anything. They just magically appear, I think, don't they?
They do. They fly by the screen. I don't even know how.
All right, folks. So here it is. The beautiful tomorrow Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape is going to start on Friday evening, October 22nd at 8:30 p.m. And we're going to kick off the event with a Facebook Live party. We're going to do Stampin' Bingo. We're going to do prize patrols, and it's going to be a lot of fun. You don't want to miss out on the bingo event. And then starting at 8 a.m. first thing Saturday morning, the 23rd, we will be kicking off the projects for the Stampin' Escape, right?
Yes. Oh, I can't wait. They're gorgeous. We've got button folds and 3Ds and techniques and gift card holders. So many fabulous, fabulous things that you guys don't want to miss, right?
They are so much fun. Absolutely gorgeous. And how about this collection? I mean, hello. Very pretty stuff, right?
I know it. I know it. So you already talked about when they're going to post. Did you mention that we're going live throughout the day as well? We've got a couple of live presentations.
I did not.
Yeah, so there's going to be some bonus lives going on during the afternoon, and you're going to have a chance to win prizes. And then we wrap up our evening with some mystery stamping and, of course, another chance to win some prizes. Yay!
So exciting.
Okay.
So we have projects upon projects upon projects, plus they get product on product on product too.
They do. So we are actually featuring, so I've got an example of a kit here. So first of all, we are featuring the Beauty of Tomorrow stamp set and coordinating dies in our Stampin' Escape. So if you have this, great. If you don't, you can add it on. And but if you don't have it, it's not your jam, don't get it. Use whatever you have. It's awesome. But the kit, oh my gosh, just the regular kit. You've got shimmer vellum. You've got the Blackberry Beauty Designer Series paper pack, right? It's gorgeous. The ephemera pack and some linen thread. That's in addition to all 12 of your fabulous kits. Plus, we've got a few other surprises in store for you this time. Yes. Okay, let's see
Now
if I
this
can
is just the kit itself. We're not
That's
even
the
talking about the bonus yet, right?
No. So let me show you the bonus kit. So the bonus kit, oh, I forgot the fabulous ribbon that's also in the kit.
Gorgeous
Sorry for
ribbon.
missing that.
So pretty.
Yes. And then your bonus kit. So we're excited about the bonus class as well. What do I say about it? It's fabulous.
This is
right?
something new that our previous attendees are going to be really excited about, right? Because
I
it's
think so.
totally different than anything we've ever done before.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's very cool. So in the bonus, you also get additional product, right? We want you to have so many great goodies. So you get some brush metallic cardstocks. You're going to get each finish in that. So it's a sheet of each. The metallic brush metallic dots, adhesive dots. Those are awesome. And
Easily one of my favorites.
sold out, bedazzling paper from Celebration. You're going to get some of that as well in your bonus kit. So that's going to be awesome. Now,
because Wendy and I have been hoarding it like little misers to make sure that we don't get
we have. So I think we're going to be able to accommodate, you know, at some point I may have to turn off registration, but
yeah,
I have quite the collection. So I should be able to accommodate those that would like to participate in the event and get the bonus class. Did you already sneak peek your bonus budget?
I just did. But now, you know, what that means for everyone is that we are kind of on a limited supply when it comes to the bonus kits, right? Because we have been hoarding and collecting that bedazzling paper, but we have so many packs and we can't get any more at all. So if you want to participate and if you want to take advantage of the bonus class, you definitely want to register sooner rather than later, right? Get signed up now.
Yeah, because it's going to be a first come, first serve for sure. So yeah, don't wait. And you want to get it. So it's how do we have it advertised? It's a giftables. Giftables, yes. The right word? Gift packaging, right?
Packaging collection. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So it's awesome. I think you guys are going to really like it. It gives you some different ways to package up some little things. You've got some stocking stuffer type ideas and some larger ideas as well. So and
all of the projects are totally different, right? Like every single one of them are very, very different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very, very true. Very true. All right, let's see. What else do we need to tell everybody?
Oh God.
So what are you going to get out of the Stampin' Escape other than fabulous product with wonderful projects, right? So we do all of this in an exclusive Facebook group that you get to be part of. Of course, if you don't do Facebook, you don't have to join the group. We send you all the stuff, but there's more in the Facebook group. So if you can join us, it's fun. We have a good time. I will tell you the bonus content. So the bonus class is only going to be available at the time of the full escape registration. So you can't purchase that tutorial later. So we do typically offer the escape tutorials after the event for purchase. So if you're outside the US and you can't join us for the event because of the product, but you want your hands on all these great tutorials, because it is a PDF and video tutorial for each one, you can purchase that later, okay? But the bonus is only for our event registered guests, Okay, so you only get one chance to get that. Let's see.
And
We do have
every single time that someone misses out on the bonus tutorials and kit, we get to the day of the event and they start seeing them posted and they go, oh man,
I know.
could have done
So
it.
much regrets. Yes. No, can't go backwards in time. So just sign up for it now.
That's right.
Let's see. What else? Oh, you will have Facebook Live interactions with us. So we
Yes.
do a couple of those throughout the event. And I think we've mentioned it, but there's opportunities to win prizes. Of course, we're gathering together and having fun. Yay.
Yes. Yes.
What else?
Yes, it's super exciting. And the videos are posted, the PDF tutorials are posted. You don't have to be with us all day long. If you have other engagements or other things that you have to do, you can come back and catch up later. All is good. It stays in the group forever until Facebook decides to shut it down, which they're not likely to do, but you know, that'll all be there for you to check on again later, to go back to, reference again, print the PDFs out, see the videos, unlimited number of times.
Yes. Yes. That way you work at your own pace.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So
All right.
exciting.
Did we get it all? I'm looking real quick to see if there's any questions from any of our viewers.
Awesome.
So I'm not seeing any. That doesn't mean that there aren't any. You know how that is. I'm a little Facebook challenge. I'll definitely go back and see. So if anybody does have any questions, be sure to let us know. We're happy to answer those.
Absolutely. And if we don't answer them right now, know that it's probably just because we haven't seen it. But Wendy and I both go back after the live is over with, and we'll check the list of comments and see if there's something that we do need to respond to that we haven't already. So even after the live, if you have a question, feel free to put it in the comments because we'll see it.
Yes. Awesome. All right. What else? Oh, let me reiterate one more time. So registration closes October 1st. So
Which is
don't
coming
miss
up
out.
so fast.
It is. It's going to be that's next weekend, not
Yeah.
this weekend, but next
Right.
weekend.
Yep.
Oh, it's crazy. It's
Like a week and
October
a couple of
1st.
days total.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. So registration closes, hard close on October 1st. And the event is October 23rd with a welcome on the 22nd, which is that Friday evening. All right. Is that
Yes.
it?
That's it.
I don't think I
Sign up,
missed anything.
people. Sign up and join us. You want
Yes.
to spend time with us.
Yes. Yes.
We're going to have a great time.
Yes. I
Projects
think
are
so too.
beautiful. There's a huge variety of projects. I mean,
Mhm.
cards, giftable items, you know, lots of fun stuff. Of course, the bonuses. Make sure you sign up for the bonus projects too. So fabulous. It's all going to be absolutely gorgeous. You're going to love it, and you're going to be really, really upset if you miss out. Promise.
Yep. 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 All right. I think that's it. And we're ready to wrap up. Yes.
I think so.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you all
you
so
all.
very much for coming. We appreciate you guys. Bye.
Yes. All right. Bye.